Are you gonna open that? Do you know who that's from? That's from Grandma and Grandpa Campbell. That's a Happy Valentine's Day. Look at the outside. Have a look at the card. Sure that the card changes.
Heavy.
Wow, is that neat?
What is it?
It changes from a ducky to a teddy bear, I think.
Teddy bear. A teddy bear ducky.
A teddy bear ducky.
Here you go, Ellie. Pull it out. Pull it out.
Wow.
Puppy, pull it out.
It's a puppy and he's happy to see you. Uh-huh. Candy. She's learning that word good. Who's that? Who's this? Who's that?
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let Ellie do it. Ooh, stickers.
No,
Is it stickers? Oh, it's cards.
Numbers and counting.
Wow.
Michaela got the stickers.
Oh, okay.
Bubbles! Me and Ellie got bubbles.
You did. Oh boy, bubbles.
Ellie got blue. She's gonna like those. Okay, Ellie. One more thing in there. My candy.
Candy.
I like this little bag.
That's pretty, isn't it? What do you say? That's all there is. What do you say, Ellie? Can you say thank you? No, say thank you. Say candies. Ellie, say thank you. Say thank you. Hey, say thank you.
She's gonna like the bubbles.
Say thank you.
Say thank you. She can't. Can she pull the bubbles yet?
Well, I think the smile on her face is thank you enough.
Yeah. Open.
Yeah, we have to go outside for those.
Oh.
You want to do it again? Okay, here we go.
Okay, we're gonna ski. Look at Skier Elizabeth.
Whoa! You like that? You want to do...
Steps.
You want to do
Oh, do the steps, yeah.
You want to do steps? Okay. Let's step off the board first, though.
Oh, step off the board. Okay, get back on the board.
Ready?
Okay, follow the steps.
You got to step.
Stop.
Yeah, you got to step.
Have her step off first and step back on. Do what they're doing. Can you step on and step off? Step off the board. See, they're stepping on and stepping off. Good job. You stepping? I know they. Oh.
Okay, here you go.
There we go. Yay. She has to take like 3 steps to get across, like what they're doing. She's really trying.
Good job.
Good job. Do it
You wanna do that one
again.
again?